Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is June 24th, 2025, and we're diving into Anterix's fiscal year 2025 fourth quarter and full year financial results. Joining us is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Anterix, a leader in 900 MHz broadband solutions for utilities, has just released their latest earnings report, and there's a lot to unpack.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the revenue and profitability. Anterix reported a spectrum revenue of $6.3 million for the full fiscal year 2025. John, how does this compare to their previous performance?
While the revenue of $6.3 million shows growth from $4.12 million last year, the real highlight is their Q4 net income of $9.2 million, a significant turnaround from a loss of $9.41 million in the same quarter last year. This resulted in an adjusted EPS of 50 cents, which beat the forecasted EPS of 0.47 by a wide margin.
That's impressive. What factors contributed to this profitability?
The gains from the exchange and sale of intangible assets played a crucial role, alongside effective cost-cutting measures, particularly in consulting fees and headcount costs.
Strategic initiatives and market position. Moving on to strategic initiatives, Anterix has been quite active. Can you tell us more about their recent moves?
Absolutely. Anterix executed spectrum sale agreements totaling $116 million and received FCC approval to expand their broadband segment, which strengthens their market position. Additionally, their Anterix Accelerator program is oversubscribed, indicating strong demand for their solutions.
And what about their strategic review process?
They initiated a strategic review after receiving interest in the company. This process is still ongoing, and it could lead to significant developments in the future.
Liquidity and shareholder returns. Let's discuss Anterix's liquidity and shareholder returns. How is their financial health?
Anterix is in a strong position with $47.4 million in cash and no debt. They also have a robust share repurchase program, having repurchased $8.4 million worth of shares in FY 2025, with $227.7 million still authorized for future buybacks.
That's quite a substantial amount remaining for repurchases. What does this indicate for investors?
It shows a commitment to returning value to shareholders and confidence in their financial stability, which is always a positive sign for investors.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. John, how has Anterix managed operational efficiencies, and what does the future hold for them?
They've successfully reduced operating expenses by cutting consulting fees and headcount costs. Looking ahead, they have a $3 billion pipeline of prospective contract opportunities, which is promising. With Scott Lang as CEO and Thomas Kuhn as executive chairman, they are well positioned to capitalize on these opportunities.
It sounds like they have a solid plan in place. Any final thoughts on their future outlook?
With their strategic initiatives and strong market position, Anterix is poised for growth, especially as they continue to expand their broadband capabilities and engage with utility customers.
Key takeaways. In summary, Anterix has delivered a strong performance in Q4 and the full fiscal year 2025, with significant gains in profitability and strategic initiatives. Their adjusted EPS of 50 exceeded expectations, and they continue to show financial strength with no debt and a substantial share repurchase program. Thank you for joining us, John.
Thank you for having me. Anterix's strategic moves and financial health make them an interesting company to watch in the coming months.
Thank you to our viewers for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch for more financial insights. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Anterix's performance in the comments below.